beans.
You know edamame at the restaurant?
Ah, okay.
The green beans.
I don't.
Okay, hi guys. We're team edamame. Okay, so we made an app called Recipe Clicker. And about team edamame. So Kenda, he's a project leader, developer, manager, and Minami is developer, and I'm a designer. And then those are major tool development. Swift, and we use this library called Edamame that we misread as Edamame. So our team comes from this API name. And I use Sketch for design, and for communications we mainly use Slack, Google Drive. Also they work with GitHub. So what is Recipe Flickr? So some people like us, we are so busy and we are very tired from school and work, and then after a long day we cannot decide what to eat, what to order, where to go, what to cook, and then we wanted to help those users. So Recipe Flickr is here for you. So our targets are students, workers, housewives who are very busy and lazy, and they cannot decide what to cook. And this app will show you recipes, and then you can flick like Tinder UI, and then you can save those recipes for later, and then you can check those recipes for cooking. So we wanted to give users to have fun feeling of using this app and make it more fun for cooking. So this is my design points and learnings. It was my kind of first time to design this kind of big apps, and then I avoided using blue or green colors because it's a recipe and food app, so I didn't want to make users lose their appetites.
Green? Vegetables?
No
veggie.
Yeah, try to use same shapes of objects and try to minimize using fonts. I just use only 2 fonts, and then try to have communication a lot with them so that I can follow their requests for designing. And then Sketch, UI Kit, Human Interface Design Guide from Apple, and Design Review from Natsumi. It was very helpful. And then those are the developer sites.
So developer size points and learnings. What we learned is MVC structure. It helps us to easily organize the app. And also we learned how to use Git and GitHub because honestly before I was really afraid of using Git because I think you guys also have same experience that you can ruin everything what you did before. But this time we separate each screens. I think we have 6 or 7 screens, and then we just separate the screen. So we can avoid struggling with much conflict. And also every time when we leave a commit message, we left very specific message, so we can understand each other, what they did, what they changed. And also we integrating local and remote database. I mean, first we use Firebase, but sometimes when you lose data, it takes some time. So we also use Realm. So Realm helps us, actually helps app to lose data faster. But also because we use Firebase, so we can keep the app lightweight. And also we created components programmatically. I mean, we didn't use storyboard a lot, so that we can easily use those components in the other screen. also those dynamic UI help us to have flexible and unique design.
So when it starts,
Can you
it
turn
takes
off the
some
lights?
time to read data from API, so I implemented the indicator view. And this is the cars. I'm using color view library. It's easy to use, like you can implement this Tinder-like UI like implementing UI table view. And it has some animations. No, pickle. You can also click the bottom, and if you click right, it's stored into Firebase. Like here. This Firebase architecture's from Minami. She thought it's the best idea to use in our app. Yeah, like you can see, this is the user ID, so we connect user ID to those favorite recipes. We're using Firebase because we're gonna implement online posting functionality later, so it should be on Firebase. And you can see all the favorite recipes here, and you can make even collection. And if you click the recipe, it loads the blog. And you can make a collection here. My favorites. Next. Yeah, it works. And this collection will be stored into Firebase too, like in here. Yeah, that's it, I think, for the demo. Yeah.
Okay, so we are in the first phase of app development, and then we have a second phase. What's coming next is login feature. We're gonna add like recipe timelines like Twitter, and users can share your recipes to other users and follow each other like friends. Then we're gonna keep working on it. So we're gonna make this app much more better. Then thank you. If you cannot decide which app to vote, like, just click on please.